everybody, it's Mrs. Gardner. I hope everybody's doing well and having a fantastic day. Tonight, I wanted to talk to you about something very creepy and crawly. As you know, we've been talking all about bugs and insects, and this week it's just more about bugs. But this thing that I'm going to show you is neither a bug or an insect. And so we'll talk about that a little bit in just a few minutes, but I wanted to show you a picture of what I have first. Are you ready? Here's my picture. Can you tell me what you see in this picture? You are right. It is a spider. And if you can tell, he is standing, or maybe you could be sitting, you could say sitting, on something that is very unique to spiders. Can you tell where he is? I want you to turn to the person next to you and tell them where the spider is. Yep, he is in his web. So not all spiders spin webs. This one does. I'm not exactly sure what type of spider this is, but I do know, and I can see that he spins webs. So as you probably know, spiders use their webs to catch their dinner. So it might be a fly or a mosquito, maybe a dragonfly that would fly into his web and get stuck so that this guy could eat his supper. So have you ever seen a spider in a web like this before? I'm sure you have. Just this morning, I was on a walk with my dog, and I saw a spider, and he was sitting in his web like this. So I really try not to kill these spiders, because I actually like that they eat mosquitoes and flies, because I don't like those bugs. So I walked away and just kind of left him be. All right, so we're going to count his legs, because I see a lot. And we're going to see how many legs this spider has. Do you think you know? All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're right. Spiders have 8 legs. So we know that that really is the key of why they're not an insect. Because as you know, insects only have 6 legs. And this guy has 8. And we also know that he's not an insect because he only has 2 body parts. If you look here, he has a head and a big abdomen. Insects have 3 body parts. They have a head, they have a middle part called a thorax, and they have a bottom part called an abdomen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to teach you the word of what a spider is called. Okay, so I'm going to put him down for a minute. What I want you to do is put up your baseball glove like this. Put on your magic baseball glove. Hold it up in the air. I'm going to take my magic baseball and I'm going to throw the word at you. And what I want you to do is catch the word and throw it back to me. So that means you're just going to echo the word back to me. Okay? So remember, we said spiders are not bugs. They are not insects. They are called, okay, get your glove up, arachnids. Say it back. Good job. All right, one more time. Get up your glove. Spiders are called arachnids. Good job. So that would be something really cool that you could teach somebody. You could teach them that you know that a spider is called an arachnid. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to play a little letter game. And the letter game that we're going to do is spelling the word spider. So this is something very easy that you could do at home also. So pay attention to how we're going to play. And then as soon as you're done watching, I want you to go get your letters of what I'm going to show you. And you can do the same activity at home. Okay? All right. So the word, of course, that we're going to be spelling is spider. So this is my spider picture. That's how I know that this is the word spider. We're going to spell the letters first, and I have all of my magnet letters jumbled up at the bottom. So you are going to help me put the letters in order to spell spider. All right, my first letter. Can you tell me what that letter is? It makes the sound S, like snake or snail. Can you think of one more? Tell somebody next to you. Any word that starts like S. You're right. It's the letter S. Do you see my letter S? Is it a red letter or a blue letter? It looks like a squiggly letter. Here it is. So what we're going to do, we're going to line it up right underneath its letter up here. Okay, we're on our second letter. And this letter, I'll move him over. This letter says P. Say that with me. P. Like popcorn. Or my favorite, pizza. Do you know what letter I am talking about? I want you to say P. Good job. You knew what it was. P. So my second letter is going to be P. Is it a red letter? Or is it a blue letter? Yep, I see it. Letter P. So far we have S, P. Now I need my next letter. It's a little line down, and then we add a dot. So this letter is a very special letter because it can actually make two different sounds. It can say the sound I, like insect, or it can say I, like ice cream. Now, my special letters that make two sounds, I love about these magnet letters because they're a different color than the rest. So I want you to find letter I. He's the easy one because he has the dot. So he is a red letter. Is this an I or is this an I? Can you point to the one you think is an I? Good job. That's pretty easy because he has the dot. So we're going to move him up here. So I want you to echo with me what we have so far. S, P, I. I want you to look here. We're right here. We have S, P, I. This letter says D. Say D. Like dog or dinosaur. Can you think of one more D word? Tell somebody next to you. It can be anything that starts like D. All right. He only makes one sound, so I know that he's going to be blue. So there are two blue letters left. I want you to give a thumbs up when you see the letter D. Is this D or is this D? You're right. It's him. Good job. So we're going to move him next to my I. We only have two letters to go. All right, let's say the letters we have so far. S, P, I, D. All right, we have two more letters. Can you see which one it is? Now this one's also very special because it also makes two sounds. So we know it's going to be a different color, and that different color is going to be red. So that's kind of easy to figure out because we only have two more letters left. All right, so I'm going to tell you the sound that this letter can make. It can either say eh, like egg, or it can say E, like eagle. So, do you see my letter E? Yeah, he's the last red one. So we're going to put him where he goes. Okay, let's see what we have so far. S, P, I, D, E. What comes last? Can you tell me? You're right, it's the letter R. He's the only one left. We know he's the last one. R makes the sound R. Can you do that with me? R, like rabbit. or roller coaster, which is fun. Good job. You did it. We finished spelling the word spider. So I want you to say it with me, all of the letters, okay? Starting with letter S. S, P, I, D, E, R, and that spells spider. Great job, guys. Like I said, this is a very fun and easy activity that you could do at home. You could have anybody write a word at the top, or if you have a picture of something like I do, you can put the picture. Use your magnetic letters to copy the word. And you can talk about the letter sounds. You can talk about what the letter looks like. There's so many different things that you can do with this. So I would love to see pictures of you copying words using your letters, or writing your words using crayons or markers or pencils, whatever you have at home. Okay, my last challenge for you is a question. Do you like spiders? Some people do, some people do not. Why do you like spiders, or why do you not like spiders? I would love to hear from you. Please, when you watch this video, send a message in the comments of if you like a spider or if you don't like a spider, and tell me why. I would love to hear. It was great spending time with you guys. I had so much fun. I will see you soon. Bye.